What roles should be included in a product development team? Successful product development starts with assembling the right team. The skill set, interpersonal dynamics, team organization, and leadership can make or break a product team. The team starts with a strong product owner that can guide the overall product direction based on deep market understanding and learned insight. They provide deep knowledge of the users and the market and identify ways to make the product stand out. The product owner provides strategic guidance and higher-level guidance.
The product manager further refines these ideas, features into specific shovel-ready initiatives, stories, or tasks. They create, maintain, and refine the product roadmap, ensure a good market fit, and gain support from stakeholders.
Most product teams today are agile. To organize an agile team and remove any roadblocks, we have a Scrum Master. They are the team cap who keeps the development running smoothly. The Scrum Master aligns the team, plan releases, helps the team pick the right stories and tasks. Their goal is to get value to the end user as efficiently as possible while preventing wasted efforts. The Scrum Master is also responsible for reporting project status and managing stakeholders' expectations.
The UX UI designer focus on usefulness, usability, desirability, and accessibility. They research the end user's journey to understand and emphasize with their pain and challenges. They then create a user experience and interface that address those challenges and helps reduce any friction between the users and their desired goals in using the product.
Solution architects design the solution and determine the best tools, approach, and methodologies to use in building the product. Then the software engineers create realistic timelines, write and test the code, and optimize the product for speed and stability. Quality assurance is the role of QA testers. QA testers review and analyze the product for errors and defects. In an agile methodology, they test each iteration of the product.
Together, these roles make up the core of your product development team. Depending on the product, your development team may include other roles such as a data scientist or program manager. Visit Taazaa.com to learn more.